Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a website for an interior lighting contractor. So I'm going to use Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month, has a free trial, super easy to use. So let me just find the lighting contractor website template. There it is. You just pick your theme after you put in your name and email. So I'm just going to put Keegan's Lighting Services. And then I'm going to put in my location, Denver, Colorado, and then type of business. This is a service. So if you are a lighting contractor, this is going to automatically, simply and easily generate a simple professional website for your lighting contractor business. So all you have to do is basically enter your details about your business. It takes 2 seconds, and then the site gets deployed for you. Now you could just use this site as is, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually edit this from here. So all I need to do next is I go in here to update section and I can simply add my information. So if I want to add Keegan, mightysites.com, show my email on the site. There we go. I'm going to add my phone number next. There's my phone number, save that. Now if I have any social media links, just copy and paste in my social media links here. And it's going to show up with the logo and the social sites too. So I need to have, maybe have like an Instagram too. So you can just, again, I'll type it out, but you can just copy and paste your Instagram account there, and now you have the URL for that too. So again, coming along nice and clean. Let's just say you want to change the colors. Perhaps you have like a different look for your business. There are all these different color palettes and themes. So you just click through the different color palettes and select the one that you like best. So as I scroll through here, you can see that there's all these different types of color palettes, and you can just select the one that you feel like fits your business. So just depending on how you brand your business and how you want it to look, I'll just kind of go with this gold one for now. I think this looks nice for a lighting contractor. So now the next thing you may want to do is just update like the header section. So you can go in here and you can add new menu items. So if you want to, nav item, and I'll show you how that is. You just put it in. You can choose where it links, whether to another website, whether to your own website somewhere, whether an action item like call you or click to email, whether you upload a PDF. And then once you add it, you click add to menu, save your menu, and then you see there's my new navigation item. You can also upload a logo. So if I go here, I can just search for my logo. And then let me scroll down through, and let me just find my logo here. So I'll upload this. So my logo is uploading, and then I'm going to save it. And then I can click to make it bigger, click to make it smaller. I can click on this little pencil icon here, and I get access to all sorts of like picture editing tools. So I can go in here and I'll crop it for now. I'm just going to kind of crop it down at the top, kind of crop it from the bottom here, then click done. And now I'll let that re-upload and click save. And once I've done that, you can see my logo kind of adjust there. I can still make it bigger if I want, or smaller, but I just got rid of some of the white space. So I'll just save that and close it. And now you can see the top of my website's coming along really quickly, nicely and easily. So as a lighting contractor, you might want to say something different in the title section. So you can go over here. Let's just say industry leading electrical and lighting contractor. Let's just say I want to change that word. So just to show you, it's really easy to type in something different. Perhaps you want to change the button. So let's just say you want to change this to request a quote. You can choose where that links, and you can choose like the lead form section and confirm it. So save, and now if I click request a quote, it'll bring me right here to this lead form. So I'll show you how to make more edits to that in just a minute. If I go over here to update section, I can browse for a picture from my computer, or I can click on search photo library, and this will upload all types of different photos here for me. So if I want to, like, let's say I want to switch out this main hero with just this image of all lights. So now I can do that, and now my website's got a different look to it. So I'll just save that image selection and close, and now I've changed the look of my website with the image there. If I want to change any of the text, I can easily delete it, or I can write out, this is how you make a website for a lighting contractor. So you can see I just type out what I want it to say. I can put bold or in italics. I can link to it. I can also, for the contact us, perhaps I want that to be an action item. So like a click to call, I can confirm that and save it. If I close that, now if someone's on their mobile phone and they click on that, it'll call my business. So the whole site's really easy to edit. It's probably the easiest way to create a simple professional website, again, for only $9 a month for your business. And now if I want, I'll just show you, if somebody comes here and they're interested in hiring your business, now they can come right here, type in their name, their email, and this is why a website's great. It helps generate leads for you. And then I can put in my phone number and then a message. I am in need of the services of a lighting contractor. So I'll type that in and click send. And there we go. Just like that, my message has been sent. So then I can go over here and go back to the site dashboard, and you can see that I've got a new lead now. So I can just go in here, and you as the site owner, you'll get an email when you get a new lead, and you can just go in and check your dashboard right here. You can connect your domain. So you just paste in your domain, and there's a set of instructions that help you get connected, and you're all set and ready to go. You'll just have to make some updates with your registrar to make sure the connection works both ways. Once that's all set, you can connect your custom domain. So again, if you're a lighting contractor and you need a website, this is a simple, cheap, affordable option, only $9 a month. Click on the link below to start your free trial and give it a test run. See if this works for creating a nice professional website for your business. Best of luck to you.